Excuse all of the background noises if you can hear it or not. That's my family either talking or my dad cooking. Yeah. So, my name is Spanza, if you didn't already know. But if you do, hello again. If you're new, hey, welcome. And so today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So this stuff is what my grandma got me for Christmas. It's just they didn't arrive on time. Yeah. So it's like a second Christmas for me. So I finally got them today. January 21st. Happy New Year, New Year, New Me. 2019. In case you're watching from the future. Okay. So this is the bag of goodies. Alright, so first thing is a shirt. This is from the anime Durarara. I think that's how it's pronounced. Or Dur for short. Don't butcher me if it's not correct. But this shows all the main anime characters in the first season, right? Yeah. First season. Okay. If you can't really see it, you'll get a better view later. But right now, we're just going to review it. Put it on my bed. Because I got nowhere else to put it. Alright. Second thing is this from the bag. We shall open the bag. Pretty loud. I'll pick that up later. Okay. No, don't fall chair. Okay. Alright, finally. We got, this is nice material. We got this jacket. Nice jacket of two of the characters in the anime. This is Shizao. Pretty sure I'm saying his name right. And Zaya, something among the names. I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, these two, they don't like each other a lot. But I love them both. So, yeah. So here's the jacket. Yeah. Now, you shall see the wondrous me model that. Bum, bum, bum. So, prepare to be amazed. And wham! I'm now modeling this beautiful jacket. Can you see it? So yeah, this is what the jacket looks on a person. And find the pocket. And now, we open the jacket. We have the shirt. Don't I look just mad fun on this? Ditch that old shirt. I love that shirt. It's from my favorite game, Overwatch. One of my favorite. The other one's Pokemon. Yeah, I ditched that old shirt for this new swag. I'm so awkward. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching me unbox two things. And then just show you what I look like in them. So, like this video. Type in the comments what you think of this. What other stuff should I unbox, or any of the other peeps, you know. And subscribe and press that dingy ding bell so you know when other cool things will happen. So this is Spanza signing out. Bye.